Hello everyone and welcome to my YouTube channel. Today we're gonna discuss how to recover WhatsApp chats if you don't have a backup. So without wasting any time, I will tell you how you can do that. First of all, if you want to uninstall your WhatsApp and you want to install it again and you don't have a WhatsApp chat backup, then I will tell you how you can recover your chats back without any backup. First of all, what you have to do is you have to open your file manager. In file manager, what you have to do is you have to open internal storage or the storage you have installed your WhatsApp. You have to search for WhatsApp folder. If you search for WhatsApp folder, you can click on that. If you click on WhatsApp folder, then you will find a folder which is as databases. In databases, you will find a file that is created by WhatsApp as a local backup. What you can do is you can copy that file in other than folder, so that if you uninstall WhatsApp, then this can be available as your local backup. So I am going to copy that file in any other file so that I can access that file if I uninstall WhatsApp. After installing, this file have to be copied in the same folder so that your WhatsApp chat can be backup. So we are going to copy that file. Now we have copied that file in other folder so that it can be available as your local backup. Now if you go back and uninstall your WhatsApp, then after uninstalling, if you again install your WhatsApp and you don't have your chats, then what you have to do is you have to again open that folder in which you have saved that local file, and you have to again copy that file. And what you have to do is you have to paste that file in the WhatsApp folder, but in other place. I am going to tell you. Here you have to click on WhatsApp, and what you have to do is you have to paste that file in backup. If you paste that file in backup and again restart your WhatsApp, then all your WhatsApp chats will be recovered. Hope you have liked this video. Kindly subscribe our channel.